Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Matno. Together with our group mate from group 5, which is Nur Raiman Naim, Shazwan Zuhelmi, Wan Ahmad Shakir and Izzat Saleh. This is group assignment video presentation for BMFH 4603, HVAC Electrical and Control subject. The system that we choose for this topic is inverter. Why inverter? We choose inverter because it gives a lot of impact towards thermal comfort, air quality and energy consumption. Next one is the inverter and its function. Inverter is one technology that regulates the frequency electricity that powers the compressor motor. An inverter is used to regulate the speed of the compressor motor in order to adjust the temperature. The main feature of an inverter aircon is its ability to control its compressor motor speed. The regulated speed allows the unit to maintain the temperature without having to power down its motor. This means an inverter air conditioning unit is way more energy efficient than non-inverter ones. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter, which is Shazwan Zuhelmi. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. I bid to TS Muhammad Nur and my fellow classmates. My name is Muhammad Shazwan Zuhelmi bin Muhammad Qasim and I'm from 3 BMMH. So today I would like to present about the working principle of inverter. Okay, what is the principle of inverter? An inverter is a small rectangular piece of electrical equipment that is used in common appliances to change direct current voltage to alternating current voltage. The way an inverter works is that it changes DC to AC current. These devices don't make any power because the power comes from the DC source. Okay, there are two different kinds of inverter. The first one is the single phase and the second one is the three phase. Single phase inverters are divided into two types, which is half bridge inverters and full bridge inverters. The half bridge inverter is one of the most important part of the full bridge inverter. It has two switches that balance each other out. If one switch is automatically turned on, the other switch will automatically turn off. The full bridge inverter circuit converts direct current to alternate current. It can be done by flipping the switches on and off in the right order. A three-phase inverter changes DC input into three-phase AC input. Here's an example of an inverter diagram. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for lending me your ears and time, and have a great day. I would like to pass to my friend Ahmad Shakir for the next presentation. With that, I thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Ahmad Shakir bin Wan Ahmad Salahuddin. Today I will share with all of you how inverter give impact toward thermal comfort. As you can see in the figure, there is a big difference between normal air conditioning and aircon inverter. Inverter control air conditioning system continuously adjust their cooling and heating output to suit the temperature in the room, thus improving comfort level. The inverter reduce system startup time, so the required room temperature is reached more quickly. As soon as the correct temperature is reached, the inverter ensures that it is constantly maintained. In other words, to more understand, the fluctuation of temperature is minimum compared to the on-off type of compressor. This provides a comfortable environment for the occupant at all times. Other than that, quiet operation is another feature that inverter technology offers. The outdoor unit, which contains the inverter compressor, is much more quieter compared to the non-inverter compressor. Hence, you do not have worry about noise when you sleep. You can have sleeping quality every day. So, those are the impact using in terms of thermal comfort. That's all from me, and I will pass to next presenter to continue the topic. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Raiman Naim Ibrahim. Now I will talk about the power consumption in inverter system. So as you can see, this is the difference between non-inverter and inverter system. Firstly, inverter technology air conditioning, it has a variable speed air condition, and operationally they are quite different from a regular air conditioning that has only single speed compressor, or we call it fixed speed compressor. Second thing is the inverter, when it achieves the set temperature, inverter AC does not turn off and continue to run the lower speed and using minimal power. The non-inverter compressor, when it achieves the temperature that we have set, it will shut off all the compressor system. The non-inverter compressor consume the most power when it come back on after a break. As a result, it is different from inverter system. So lastly, inverter system, it has a longest lifespan compared to non-inverter. So in the conclusion, we can say the inverter it use a lowest power consumption compared to the non-inverter system. So if you can see, this is the advantage of inverter control, comparing inverter and non-inverter air conditioning. So the blue line is inverter air condition, and the silver and the other line is non-inverter. So you can see the flow of an inverter is constantly in the comfortable zone compared to the flow or wave of the non-inverter that has cracked. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Izzat bin Saleh, and now I will explain about the impact towards air quality between inverter and non-inverter air conditioner. Basically, there is no difference between both systems. The compressor working order is the only component that differentiates between the two systems, and this is the reason why. This also indicates that there are no other air conditioning components in either of the systems that affect the quality of the air. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.